Hello children, today I am going to start a new video related to simplification of class 6. So children, let's start our video. So children, in simplification, when simplifying mathematical operation which involve different operations, the order in which they are performed is important in order to avoid confusion. So children, for that a standard rule called the BODMAS is observed in simplifying these operations. In this chapter, we shall learn about rules for simplifications. Rules for simplification. 1. A standard rule called the BODMAS is observed in simplifying these operations. The letter of the word BODMAS, just see, B stands for brackets, O stands for of, which means multiplication, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A addition, and S stands for subtraction. Rule 2. When we group two or more numbers together, we use four kinds of brackets. 1. Simple brackets or round bracket or parenthesis. Number 2. Braces or curly brackets. Number 3. Square brackets. Number 4. Line brackets, or you can say bar or vinculum. Look on the screen. Rule 3. We remove the brackets in this order. First line bracket, then round bracket, then curly, and at last square brackets. Rule 4. The operations within the brackets are worked out to get one number within the bracket. Rule 5. Brackets are removed by multiplying the number within the bracket by the sign and number outside. Rule 6. The sign rule for multiplication is, children, look it very carefully, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, equal to plus. So children, product of like signs is always positive. Minus into plus equal to minus, plus into minus equal to minus. So children, product of unlike signs is always negative. We know already division, multiplication, addition, subtraction according to BODMAS in the earlier classes. Sometimes we may need to add before we divide or perform some other operation before the one given in our BODMAS rule. In such cases, children, we use brackets. The operations to be done first is placed within the brackets. Look the screen. Now let us see one example. Find the product of sum of 4 and 8 and the difference of 9 and 7. The mathematical expression for the statement will be 4 plus 8 within the brackets, then multiply again within the bracket 9 minus 7. Here the operation in the bracket is to be done first, children. Add 4 plus 8, that is 12. Then subtract 9 minus 7, which is 2. Then multiply 12 into 2, which gives 24. Therefore, children, 4 plus 8 multiply 9 minus 7 equal to 24. Here, addition and subtraction are done before multiplication. But children, sometimes we have to group many operations. In that case, we need to use more than one bracket. Here too, look on the screen. Line bracket, simple, curly, square. The line bracket is not often used, children. The most commonly used bracket is the. Now children, see one example. Simplify 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6. Remember, division comes before multiplication. So children, 10 minus, now divide, that is 2, then multiply, which is 12. Now after simplifying, 10 plus 12, which is 22, then subtract 2, you will get the required answer as 20. Therefore, 10 minus in bracket 8 divided by 4 plus 2 into 6 in bracket equal to 20. Example 2. Simplify 1 by 3 into 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 4 plus 8 upon 21. For that, 1 by 3, now multiply 2 by 7 into the reciprocal of 3 by 4, you will get as, look on the screen, 2 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 3, which is 8 upon 21. Now then multiply 8 by 21 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 8 by 63. Now therefore you can write here 8 by 63 plus 8 by 21. For that, let us find the LCM of 63 and 21, which is 63. Now, as usual, you can convert the given, that is unlike fractions, into like fraction. So what you will get? 8 by 63 already we have converted. Now convert 8 by 21, which will give you 24 by 63, having the denominators in both the fractions 63 and 63. After that, add as usual 8 by 63 plus 24 by 63, which is equal to 32 upon 63. Therefore, children, 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 4 plus 8 by 21 equal to 32 upon 63. Remember children, addition comes before subtraction. Example 1. Simplify 18 minus 4 plus 6. So what we will do? Add first 18 and 6, which is 24. Then subtract 4 to get the required answer, which is 20. Therefore, we can say 18 minus 4 plus 6 equal to 20. Example 2. Simplify 29.3 plus 3.5 minus 1.2. Add 29.3 plus 3.5, which is 32.8. Then subtract 32.8 minus 1.2, which is 31.6. Therefore, 29.3 plus 3.5 minus 1.2 equal to 31.6. Remember children, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Example 1. Simplify 12 multiply by 2 plus 4 minus 9. First multiply 12 into 2, which is 24. Then add 24 plus 4, which is 28. And then subtract 28 minus 9, which is 19. So look the children on the screen very carefully. This point must be kept in mind. Therefore, children, 12 into 2 plus 4 minus 9 equal to 19. Now children, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction as usual. Let us see one more example. Simplify 7.2 minus 1.5 into 2 plus 1.8. First, multiply 1.5 into 2, which is 3.0. Then add 7.2 plus 1.8, which is 9.0. And then subtract 9.0 minus 3.0, which is 6.0. Therefore, children, we can see here 7.2 minus 1.5 multiplied by 2 plus 1.8 equal to 6.0. Let us see one more example. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 10. So first within the bracket, that is 1 by 3 into 3 by 10, it will give you 1 by 10. Then after that add 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 10. Now first find the LCM of 2 and 10, that is here LCM is 10. Now as usual, convert both the fraction into like fractions. So add 1 by 2, enough to add like this 5 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Now look here, both are like fraction. Now after adding both of them, you will get as 6 by 10. Now children, again see, you have to convert into lowest term. So what we will do, divide by 2. So what will you get? 3 by 5. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 10, which is equal to